my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. Yeah, my foot still hurts. If you've seen 2 videos back, I had fractured my left ankle. It's very sore right now. Not overlying too painful, but it is painful to kind of walk on. And the same day you will see this video, I will actually see the orthopedist for the first time. So hopefully not too bad news, or because I don't think I'll need surgery, but I'm hoping that there's no surgery in the future. That would kind of suck. But anyway, we must press on because this is my weekly work in progress and finished project video. And I got some very, very cute finished projects done. Well, okay, you probably have seen, I think I had Big Bird 2 videos back. So you're seeing it again. So there's like little hands on it. But that is, you've seen that one already. Oh. And oh, look at all this mess on here. Okay, here we are. Yes, I finished this cowl here. It's just, yeah, it was, I think I just made a scarf. That's 8 single crochets. Don't remember what hook, but it was a pretty big hook. And I think just enough to be able to sew it to the end. And it's a cowl. Turned out pretty nice. And it might be fun, and it's probably going to be functional when it gets much colder out. Alright, so that is done. These last items I got done turned out pretty cute. And if you've seen my last video, it's the tutorial how to make this little guy. Yeah, it's just my little octopus. This is the one that is in the video. And this one has the safety eyes and the little handmade with love on the back. This one was made with, to check out the video, it's yarn I got recently from Temu. It is 100% cotton yarn, and not too bad. It's not too bad. It is cute. Well, this one, okay, I've got them stored with a bunch of other yarn. They're all getting caught in that. Stop it. Okay. So, cleaning that mess up later. There's another one. I like how this one turned out. This one, I'm trying to remember. I think this yarn's discontinued. I don't think you'll find it. I initially got it on clearance on Michael's. The Eco Natural, I think that's what it's called. But it's kind of got this, it's made with recycled plastic. It kind of has this Chanel feel to it. But I like how this turned out. It's cute. And I have one more. This one is made with just Chanel from the Dollar Tree. And this one I didn't use safety eyes. I just sewed the eyes in. Very, very cute. These are very cute. And I probably didn't want to put safety eyes because this one will probably go out as a gift to one of my grandkids. Not to say that the other, I don't know, they're cute. But this one will probably at least go up to one of the grandkids. These 2 I'm not sure yet. They do have the, you never know what toddler will pull those eyes out, but I don't, they're cute. So I hope you do check out. I do have, like I said, the last video is the video tutorial on how to make these. So if you want to make one for yourself, they're not that hard to do. They're pretty easy. I hope you go and check out the video. Or if you want the written pattern for these is also on my blog, and that is in the description. That is it for all my finished projects. Now let's time for my work in progress stuff. Okay. So here we are. I started, just happened to start a tote bag. And it is definitely all my little scraps. So this is part of, I'm thinking for Stash Down 2023, I think my final push to try to use up all them yarns. I had a whole bunch of little scraps of yarn like this. So I'm trying to use up the little bits, and they're all going into this basket. I think it'll be pretty cool when it's done. That is the only new one that's a work in progress. This is, I did work on a little bit. This is going to be my Fairyland hat, and I am about the point where I do want to start doing the decreasing for this hat. So I think it looks like we're about the 6-inch point, and it kind of fits. It's a fit right on my head. Yep. Fit. So yeah, it fits nicely now, not comfortably now, and that's with the double pointed needle. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'll probably start decreasing about right now. I think that'll be cute when it's done. And I just messed up my hair. It's okay, my hair's always messed up. Alright. So these next two projects I did, like, I don't think I worked on it at all. There's no progress. That is still, we still have the t-shirt. I haven't gotten anywhere on this t-shirt. I don't know. I definitely don't want to keep this going too long. They just, some projects are like that. I just don't have, we'll call it the Crojo to pick up and finish this. Because I'm trying to do other projects going on. Because we're now in Christmas season, so I'm trying to get stuff made for Christmas. And this isn't a Christmas present for anybody. So it's kind of a back burner project. And pretty much this, well, I guess this scarf could be a Christmas gift for somebody, but I haven't worked on this one either. So, it's really, I should work on, this is really cool. I really do like little spaces in there like that. Because I wasn't planning on giving this as a gift, so this will probably have to be on the back burner too. But it could be a gift. I guess any project I make could be a gift. So the other project I got on is the year-long. It's not the year-long. It's from December. That's the Granny Square make-along that I learned from Connie at Just Another Stitch. So I think I'm at, okay, I don't, right now the blanket and several other blankets are propping up my poor sore foot. So I'll insert some pictures in here of the progress of that. I think I got, and then I got like 3 squares left to finish up the blanket. And I'm seriously considering that will be it. And then put her on the border, because I'm kind of running out, because I want to make that's a stash down project too, so I want to use yarns that I have prior to January 1st. And as far as I'm using like the kind of like the acrylic size 4 yarn, and I'm kind of running out on that because I got this, yeah, this mess. I have this. And I have one more. I have a little bit of this. So I don't know how much further I can really go. I might have some yarn that but I was using it for the tote bag you saw at the beginning. So yeah, I'm kind of running out of yarn, so I can't really go that much further on that blanket. I think it's big enough, and we'll probably end up getting it finished in November. We'll see. So the only other projects I got are my temperature blankets and my temperature scarf. Surprisingly, both are up to date. Now let's insert a picture of the temperature blanket, because I'm currently upstairs and I left that project and I want to leave it downstairs. So it's kind of like the temperature blanket has become my downstairs project when I'm hanging out with the family, with my husband, watching TV. So that's mainly how I have been working on the temperature blanket. So I thought I'd just insert a picture and just tell you about it and leave it down there. Alright, and this, here we are. It's getting to the point where I'm gonna have to like do a picture. Look at this one's scarf size. This is the temperature scarf. And I am surprised that we are in November and I'm doing the 70 degrees. I'm feeling it's kind of warm. I'm not expecting November to be this warm, but that might be me being from originally growing up in the northern Wisconsin and seeing maybe snow at this point, but not ever can't fathom 70s in November. But we do. We have 70s in November. It's been today and yesterday. It's been in the 70s. I think I don't know if it's going to stay 70s. I think it's going to go back to the 60s. But anyway, this project is up to date, and it's going to be a nice little scarf. I think I've decided I know at the beginning of the year I was contemplating a border, but I don't think I'm going to put a border on this at all. Okay. Alright. That is everything. You can let me know in the comments what you're working on. And if you did like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now. Of course, I always seem to forget a project. The scarf I'm working on. I am working on this scarf. I might be halfway done. Probably about a third of the way done. I apologize, I'm kind of holding the camera, kind of like selfie mode. So, that is it. I forgot the scarf. So, that's the knitted one, and that pattern will be in the description. So, alright, now we're done for real. Thanks for watching. Bye.